Good morning from Cleveland, Georgia. We're in late fall. Temperature's about 47 degrees out. It's not a bad day out. Some of the essential items that you need would be, you need yourself a good water filter. This is a 1 micron clear C2O filter. I'll have a link to the description below. When you get to the trailer parks, they can have high iron contents or high mineral contents, and this helps clear that up. This has the water filter and the rock filter on it. That'll make sure you're not getting debris up into your filter system. So this would be a great essential to have. The next item I would recommend is a pressure regulator. The pressure regulator helps control the amount of pressure, water pressure that goes up into your rig. This one here is your basic simple one. It goes up to 50 psi. That's the maximum you want your lines to have on your rig. And then this one here is an adjustable one. You can go through and adjust the pressures up to whatever pressure you need. But this is really good to have to make sure that you're not putting too much water pressure on the lines. So for item number 3, I recommend a water hose. You use a Kink-Free drinking water safe hose. I'll put a link in the description below to the hose that we use. It's Aquatic Joe. It's a FiberJacket one that does not kink. That's what I really like about it. Plus, it's easy to roll up. White hoses work. They work well for starters, but I just didn't like the way that they roll up very well, and they can kink pretty easy. So for the 4th item, recommend gloves. These are very essential, especially if you're doing your black water tank and the hose. I use these Nitrile ones. They're very tough. I've yet to tear one. Yes, I go through them a little bit more, but they're very strong and they last a long time. The 5th thing you're going to need is you're going to need a sewer hose. Like this one. This is a small version of it. Don't worry, it's brand new. It's never been used. If you plan on using your black water or your gray water tank, you'll need this sewer hose. When I bought mine in a kit. It came with 2 sewer hoses. They were 15 feet long. It came with the elbow. It also came with a rubber seal that you're required at most states to use when using dump stations. You can find your dump stations at campgrounds, fairgrounds, state parks. Also find them rest areas, and also get this one. I definitely must have this, and you'll see videos coming up on how to properly hook them up and set them up. I'll give you a link below in the description to show you which hose setup that I used. 6th item you're going to need is levelers. Now, they come in many different forms. You make ones that you roll up onto. You make ones like this where you can just stack them up. I bought 2 packs of these. If you plan on staying in any campground that is gravel or dirt, you definitely want it, because not always even ground when you come in there. You definitely want 2 packs. If you plan on being in parking lots the whole time, 1 pack will get you by just fine. But again, if you want to do some real camping, definitely take 2 along, because most of the campgrounds you go to, the pads are not level. They're close, but not always perfectly level. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos coming up in the next week.